So last time I was online with you guys, I showed you how to order using our mobile app. This time, although not contactless like the app, I do want to show you how to use the kiosk itself. So today I want to have a kombucha and a taco bowl. So all I have to do here is add it to the cart, and what I will do is check out. So I'm going to use my corporate card here and just swipe. Usually you would just tap your debit or Visa here, and you can just see you hold it for 5 seconds. If it doesn't work, there is a chip insert as well. And if I grab my products here, there's my lunch. And as mentioned, if you were to use the app and scan your barcode, you would actually only grab your products and not have to touch the kiosk itself.